They don't want you to have the same tools as Wall Street. The global financial system stands at a historic crossroads. On one side is the century-old traditional financial system, stable, mature, but with high barriers to entry. On the other side is the emerging technology of blockchain, transparent, efficient, but not yet fully integrated into mainstream order. SKHTU Exchange will bridge this gap. In traditional systems, professional tools such as futures, options, and structured products have long been reserved for institutions. Ordinary investors are often left to passively endure market volatility. SKHTU believes true financial inclusion does not mean lowering professional standards, but giving everyone equal tools and opportunities. On SKHTU Exchange, ordinary users can access various derivative tools. High net worth investors can achieve long-term allocation through asset management and hedging strategies. Institutional clients can connect to clearing interfaces and custody systems for compliant operations. Finance is no longer stratified. Tools are no longer exclusive. SKHTU is not just an exchange, but a complete digital financial ecosystem. Here, users can complete everything from short-term trading to long-term asset allocation without switching between multiple platforms. Spot trading offers mainstream and emerging digital assets with a millisecond-level matching engine for a smooth experience. Futures trading helps users hedge risks or improve capital efficiency. Options trading provides more flexible strategy combinations. Security tokenization conveniently invest in US stocks and ETFs. Launchpad bridges quality blockchain projects and investors. Staking and asset management support stable growth for USDT, BTC, ETH, and other mainstream assets. All of this is accomplished within a unified account system at SKHTU Exchange. Seamless integration, enhanced efficiency, and a restructured financial framework. Global assets are moving toward digitization. Bitcoin is gradually becoming a reserve asset for central banks. Ethereum drives the expansion of financial ecosystems. RWA, real-world assets, is accelerating the on-chain migration of traditional assets. SKHTU is at the core of this transition. The platform advances the digital framework for bonds, funds, and custodial assets, introduces stablecoin-denominated US stock trading, builds a bridge between traditional finance and blockchain. SKHTU is not just a trading platform, but the hub for global asset digitization. The core team of SKHTU comes from Wall Street investment banks, international regulatory agencies, and traditional securities exchanges, with deep experience and leading technology. SKHTU adheres to three core principles: compliance as the foundation, technology as the driving force, financial inclusion as the goal. The platform has obtained US MSB and SEC licenses, follows the European MiCA framework, implements audit registration systems in Asia and Latin America, continuously advancing compliance licensing. In an era of increasingly robust regulation, compliance is not only a brand image, but also the core competitiveness of SKHTU Exchange. Security is the most important foundation for a financial platform. SKHTU adopts offline cold storage and multi-authority management mechanisms. Smart risk control systems monitor anomalies in real time. Independent third-party audits and insurance partners are introduced. Even in extreme circumstances, insurance funds and risk reserves fully protect platform and user asset security. Every layer of design serves one goal: to make asset safety a verifiable promise. Since its launch in 2021, SKHTU has continued to grow. Starting with 20 trading pairs, now covering 100 plus countries and regions, from 500,000 users to surpassing 10 million users, daily trading volume exceeds $10 billion.